In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink accounts from your Bank of America app. This process is quite straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to manage your linked accounts with ease. First things first, you'll need to launch the Bank of America mobile banking app on your device. Once you've got it open, go ahead and sign in using your online ID and passcode. This is a crucial step to ensure you're accessing your personal account securely. If you have any trouble remembering your ID or passcode, make sure to use the recovery options available through the app's login screen. With access to your account, direct your attention to the bottom menu and tap on Accounts. This is where you'll see a comprehensive list of all the accounts linked under your profile. These can include checking and savings accounts, any associated credit cards, and external banks you might have linked for ease of access. Next, identify the account you wish to unlink. It could be a joint account, an external bank account, or even a credit card that you no longer need associated with your profile. Once you've found the right account, tap to open its details page. Here you'll see all the specifics of this account, giving you a better idea of what you're about to modify. Now scroll down until you find either the Manage Account or Account Settings option. Tapping on this will lead you to a section where you can view linked accounts or external accounts. This is where all your associated accounts are managed and organized. To proceed with unlinking, simply tap on the option that says Remove, Unlink, or even Delete Account. Depending on your app's version, this wording might slightly vary, but the functionality remains the same. It's quite normal to feel a little hesitant at this point, so take a moment to ensure you've selected the right account. Once you're ready, confirm your decision when prompted by the app. This confirmation step is vital as it verifies your intent to proceed with the unlinking process. After you confirm, you should receive an on-screen message confirming the successful unlinking of the account. Sometimes, an email notification will follow to document the change for your records. With these steps completed, you'll notice that the account is no longer listed among your linked accounts. This change helps you keep your financial profile organized and secure, managing only the accounts you currently use or need. If at any point during the process you encounter questions or issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Bank of America's customer service for additional assistance. They're there to help ensure your banking experience is smooth and efficient. That's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found these instructions helpful in managing your Bank of America accounts.